Covering news that matters in Wagoner County now, the Wagoner County Sheriff's Office is asking people to be really cautious about Medicare scam calls. Fox 23's Alexa Mostrom spoke with people about how this is impacting their daily lives.
I went and counted this morning, and in the last week, I have blocked 48 numbers.
Julie Melia says even with a spam filter on her phone, she's getting more than 40 scam calls a week from people trying to sell her Medicare.
I miss business calls and appointments and things like that because I just can't answer my phone anymore.
Melia says it started after she put her number down as contact information for her mother-in-law. Her mother-in-law had dementia and had been previously scammed from these types of calls.
A man actually showed up at her assisted living and got her to sign paperwork to change her insurance, long after she was, capable of making those kinds of decisions.
When the scam calls wouldn't let up, Melia says they had to take her mother-in-law's phone just to keep her safe.
When these people wouldn't leave her alone, her world just got smaller and smaller and smaller because we were trying to protect her. But, it still really stunk, for her quality of life.
Now Melia deals with these calls daily. Wagoner County Sheriff Chris Elliott says recently they've seen a lot of Medicare scam calls.
It's happening to me every day. I've had phone calls today from people trying to sell me Medicare. I'm not old enough to have Medicare, obviously.
He's warning people to be careful. He says scammers will use your Medicare numbers to submit bogus Medicare claims in your name.
With scams or anybody that calls you what we call a cold phone call to your phone and starts asking you for personal information, do not give it to them. Don't confirm your name, don't confirm your date of birth, don't confirm your address. Give them absolutely nothing and simply hang up on them.
Elliott says unless you've been scammed, the relentless calling is not a crime. But Julie Melia believes the scam calls themselves are already dangerous.
If you have elderly family members, be really involved there and know what happens on their phones, because sometimes this stuff can get out of control before you know it.
The Wagoner County Sheriff's Office says that if you do get scammed, you need to report it to your local law enforcement so that they can start investigating. Covering news that matters, I'm Alexa Mostrom, Fox 23 News.